Hello, traders. Put the coffee down and pull up a chair. It's April 3rd, and while the markets are taking a snooze for Good Friday, the data definitely didn't get the day off memo. Grab your sunglasses because we've got a lot to unpack before Monday's opening bell. The big news? March non-farm. Payrolls just flexed some serious muscle. We clocked in at 178,000 jobs, absolutely demolishing the 60,000 estimate. The unemployment rate dipped to 4.3% and wage growth chilled out. It's a total Goldilocks print. Not too hot, not too cold. Since markets are closed today, this news is sitting on ice until Monday. Expect a gap up in equities, but don't hold your breath for those rate cuts. They just got pushed further down the road. Before we went into the break, Thursday's closing bell saw some solid green. The S&P 500 finished at 6,582, up over 3% on the week, while the Nasdaq surged over 4%. It was a great week, but with the geopolitical temperature rising, things might get a little tense over the long weekend. On that front, President Trump isn't backing down on Iran, vowing to hit Tehran extremely hard if things escalate. With the Strait of Hormuz still closed, WTI is hovering near $111 and Brent is around 108. If the gates stay shut, we're looking at 115 to 120 for WTI. The ultimate plot twist to watch for? Any ceasefire headlines that could reverse the entire trade. We also have some fresh catalysts in policy. Trump signed an executive order for up to 100% tariffs on patented drugs and kept those 50% duties on steel, aluminum, and copper. Pharma traders, keep a close eye on the short side for Monday. In individual names, Tesla dropped over 5% Thursday after Q1 deliveries came in a bit soft, so watch TSLA as a pulse check for big tech sentiment. On the flip side, Globalstar popped 13% on chatter that Amazon might be looking to acquire them. Over in the safe havens, gold is sitting pretty at $4,702. The dollar index is feeling like royalty again, back above 100 for the first time since mid-2025, supported by that strong jobs report and a Fed that's stuck on hold. As for crypto, Bitcoin is hanging out near 66,888, while Ethereum took a bit of a dip. The Iran situation is acting like a headwind, but there's a huge structural silver lining. The SEC and CFTC just classified 16 cryptos as commodities. That's a massive open for business sign for institutional money. For your Monday game plan, watch the S&P 500 upside target at 6,700 and Bitcoin resistance at 70,000. WTI likely stays bid toward 115 unless we see a ceasefire. Bottom line, the labor market is a beast, equities are looking bullish for Monday, and the dollar remains king. Manage your size, it's a long weekend with a live geopolitical situation. Stay sharp, trade safe, and I'll see you Monday.